So here are some Discord alternatives since Discord will require facial scans or government ID for full access starting March 2026. For the first one, we have Mumble. So about Mumble, it is a free, open source, low latency, high quality voice chat application. And it has rich features like low latency, great for talking and gaming. And what I like about this is this feature, which it has an in-game overlay to see who's talking like an FPS at the current time. Another great alternative is Fluxer. Fluxer is an open source instant messaging that is made in Sweden. You know, when Sweden is mentioned, you know their quality is top tier. And this statement alone would make me switch to use this application. And as you can see on their screenshot on their demo page, it feels like it is a Discord copy. Some of its key features like messaging, voice and video, moderation tools, and what I like about this is it's customizable using CSS themes. So it is good. And it is also available on different platforms like Windows, macOS, and Linux. For the next one, we have Matrix. It is a decentralized chat protocol where anyone can run their own server, which means developer can build their own apps on top of the Matrix network. To start a conversation, we need to choose a client by installing the element. After that, we have to choose a server. We can use the matrix.org as a default setting. And after all that, we can register and start using the application. Next, we have Element. Element is built under the Matrix Open Standard, just like we have discussed a while ago, to give users the independence and control they needed. It is free from vendor-locked platforms because it is a decentralized application, which means it is running on independent servers across the globe, unlike any centralized systems like Teams and WhatsApp, wherein it has one main server that controls everything. To get started, we have two options here. If we want to download the app only, the app is available on any platforms like Mac, Linux, Windows, and on the Element web. Or we can use their server, just fill up the necessary requirements here and then submit it through their website. For the next one, we have TeamSpeak. It is free to download, so you can download and use it anytime. It is also available from the Microsoft Store. And according to their website, it is military grade, lag-free performance, and unparalleled reliability and uptime. It has like a Discord feature here, showing on the right side on their website. And it is the official voice supplier for the Overwatch League. It is also being used by different companies like NASA and Hologate. For the next one, we have Wire. Wire delivers military-grade security, and since it's military-grade, it is trusted by industry leaders including BMW, ExxonMobil, and government organizations. It offers zero-knowledge encryption, which means your data is encrypted on your device and the provider, Wire, cannot decrypt or access its content. So even if the servers are breached, the attacker only gets unreadable encrypted data. Unfortunately, this is not a free app, but it's a good tier, so I still included it. If you're a gamer, then you're gonna love this. Meson is a community platform designed for gamers who want to create their own digital hangout spaces. Meson offers fast messaging, enterprise integrations for your favorite applications like ChatGPT, Salesforce, Figma, and Gmail, and other productivity tools. It also offers in-community payments, which you can send money instantly and rewards creators for it. And you can also leverage their AI agents, which can summarize your voice channel conversations. For the next one, we have Stoat, the chat app where you are the main character. Oh, I like this one. And here are some of the features that they are offering, like attaching images and mentioning users, which is a basic one actually. Building your community, like mods and bots. It is free and open source, which is really nice. And this is the main feature that I like the most. It is secure and confidential, which means no ads, no trackers, and it is made in Europe, the motherland of GDPR, or the General Data Protection Regulation. You can use the software by downloading the main app on their server or opening it via the web app. If you want some modern, clean, minimalist looking style chat application, then Cine is a good one for you. It has some features like it is organized, has a better visual feedback, and it has a calm visual, as you can see here on their screenshot. Last but not the least, we have Valor. Built entirely by volunteers without corporate funding, the community-driven development approach ensures features are built for real user needs rather than corporate interests. It has some rich features like multi-window chat, as you can see here, and an economy system, an item system, which you can show off your accomplishments and be immersed like never before. Open source, which means it is privacy focused and fully transparent, and they are bragging here that if you don't trust them, you can go look at their code itself. And here's the code from their GitHub repository.